So if you have a child, or if you have a young brother or young cousin or wife or whatever, y'all both got to be doing it. Y'all don't even understand. Y'all be out here just in relationships, falling in love and doing shit for the wrong reasons. You don't understand the power you got. If you in a relationship, if you are married, I'm giving y'all $1 trillion worth of game. If you in a relationship for love and you just out here rubbing noses and you ain't taking advantage of the economic power, you got this shit fucked up. You got this shit fucked up. If you in a relationship, you married, and he's bringing in 50 grand and you bringing in 50 grand, y'all should be living on one person's income. There's no reason for you to be buying purses and taking trips, right? And living a lifestyle you can't afford when you don't have no future. You don't have a retirement fund. You don't have a college fund for your kids. But you living your best life. You talk about YOLO. You only live once. You live every day. You die once. You live every fucking day. You die once. So if you're in a relationship, what y'all should be doing is sitting down, putting shit together, cutting back, deciding to live on one person's income. That's the main benefit of a fucking marriage and relationship anyway. It gives you economic power. When two come together, you got more money. Why is two people together and you still don't have money? Because you still just, shit don't make no sense. If you are married or you're in a relationship, you live with your dude or you live with your wife or whatever the case, y'all got to sit together, right? Sit together, watch your shit, cut back, right? Downgrade whatever you have to do. Live on one person's income. The rest should be invested. If she's bringing in 50 grand and you bringing in 50 grand, why are you buying new cars? Those are fucking liabilities. Why are you buying new cars? Why are you buying new clothes? Why are you traveling? You don't have no savings. You don't have an emergency fund. You don't have a college fund. You don't have an opportunity fund to take advantage when the stock market is low. But you talking about I make 6 figures and my man makes 6 figures, but you still broke. Shit don't make any sense because you don't have any plan. And when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. That is an intentional decision. Even though it's unconscious, you made an intentional decision to fail. Because you're just getting into relationships and marriages for the wrong fucking reason. Get together, live on one person's income. The average household in America makes $45,000. That's the average household. Household, not individual. Household. So it's doable. So if you're making 60 or 50 and your wife or your husband is making another 50 or 60, y'all can live on one. And watch how much fucking money y'all gonna make in the next 5 to 10 years if you take that 50 grand or 40 grand and just keep buying the VOO. Keep fucking buying Ethereum. Just take one person's income and just invest that. Buy dividend stocks with that 50 grand every fucking year for 5 years or 10 years and watch the interest you're gonna make. But you out here just upgrading on bullshit because you want to look rich instead of actually being rich. You care about how you look. You care about the liabilities instead of investing in assets. You care about giving your hard-earned money away to look cool instead of putting the money into companies that are going to pay you for free. What's the point? What is the point of y'all being, you're doing it for love. You got it fucked up. If you're in a relationship and you still struggling, you got it fucked up. If you're married and y'all still struggling, y'all need to Listen, I gotta say these things before I put y'all on the coins. I can't do that. That'll be a disservice to y'all. Because it's deeper than that. You need a strategy. You need a plan. You need your financial blueprint to be realigned. You can't just be out here being hopeful and think you can gamble your way to riches or to success. It's a plan. There's a system. There's a formula to this shit. And if you don't follow the formula, the odds are stacked against you. You are not going to win. There's going to be occasional wins here and there, but you're not going to be financially secure to the point where money is not an option because you're not intentional with your shit. You got to be intentional with your shit. That means you got to have these uncomfortable conversations. You know the number one reason for divorce in America is finances. It's finances. Nobody likes to talk about it because it makes you uncomfortable. But if something makes you uncomfortable, then it needs to be talked about. There's a reason why it makes you uncomfortable. Because your mom and your pops never talked about that. Because nobody talks about it. So you're uncomfortable. But if you don't talk about it, it's going to become a problem anyway. It's going to become a problem anyway. Thanks for the badge. I appreciate it. It's going to be a problem anyway. So I'm going to repeat it one more time. If you are married or you're in a relationship, you live with your dude, you got two incomes coming in, it is absolutely imperative that y'all find a way to live on one person's income, live on the wife's income, live on the husband's income, and invest the rest into the VOO, into dividend stocks. Get paid. Become an owner. Instead of just a consumer. Don't get used. Use the motherfucking system too. Be smart out here. Stay woke or die broke. Be smart out here. The army nurse, she knows what's up. The army nurse knows what's up because we talked about that. She had a baby. I'm sorry that I'm putting your business out there. Welcome to the live. She had a baby. I asked her, I'm like, what are you doing? She said, I'm like, have you opened up something? I was trying to put her on, but she was already on with her husband. They are already on. If you had a baby or you have a kid and you don't have an investment fund for them, you got it fucked up. You got no business having kids. You got no business having kids. That's why we be out here all fucked up because we don't know any better because our folks didn't do it for us, right? Our folks didn't do it for us. A bunch of y'all out here don't even have life insurance. You got kids, but you don't have life insurance. This is how the rich stay rich for generations. Even if you die today, and we all gonna die, it's just a matter of time. Facts. Even if you die today, your kids gotta be millionaires. Even if you got only $500 to your name, your kids gotta be millionaires. I got millions of dollars worth of insurance. So even if crypto don't make me rich, my kids gonna be rich. It's a fact.